Hey guys, it's Gina. I'm coming back with you. My chicken is done, and my gravy is done, and I'm going to show you how to assemble this casserole. First of all, this came from the food pantry. It's cream and mushroom soup. It's the healthy request. I'm going to take that, and in this pan, went ahead and I took the stuffing that we made earlier and put it in the bottom of this pan. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this can of cream of mushroom soup and we're going to get it out of the can. And I'm going to grab me a spoon here, a small spoon, that I can get in here with and get the rest of this out. And then we're going to spread it over the top of our stuffing mix that we have already got in here. And you know, if you get stuff that's heart healthy or lower sodium, especially in a dish like this, you are not going to be able to tell the difference much, folks, because the stuff is not exactly sodium free, but it sure does taste good. And then we're just going to lightly take our spoon and just kind of spread it over the top. And we're going to try our best to get this to go all the way out to the edges as much as we can. I also put out a can of cream of celery if this does not look like I have enough over it. With the cream soup, I will just go ahead and add the cream of celery because I didn't have celery. But it looks like I'm probably going to have maybe just about enough of this without overdoing it. You know, I don't want to have it overdone with the cream soups and stuff. But that goes over the top of your stuffing mix. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of my chicken chunks here. Now, you're going to be seeing this video on Friday. And I had 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm probably only going to put part of these in here because there's only 2 of us, folks. There's no need. I mean, unless I just don't have enough of this. And it's got a little chicken broth in the bottom, and that's fine because those crumbs are going to soak that up, and it's going to, you know, just add more flavor. But this way I could go ahead and cook all my chicken and have that done and not have to worry about doing all this at one time. I'll just go ahead and add the rest of that in there. It's not that big a deal because that way we will at least have the leftovers to last us a day or two, hopefully. You never know at my house. Now, this is what it looks like up to this point. And like I said, there was a little chicken broth left. That's fine. Perfectly fine. Because when you bake it, some of that liquid is going to bake out of it. It gets hot in the oven. And you're definitely want that. Now over the top of all this, that pack of turkey gravy that we made, and this right here just makes it the bomb. You can I try to get as much out of my pans and cans and all that as I can. And stuff. Like I said, now this gravy is going to be hard to spread around. But that's alright. It will still be in there. And it'll still give flavor to this. So, as long as we get the majority of it on there. And that kind of thing. Now, I got my pan pretty darn clean. And I'm going to try to get the rest of that on there. Now, if you're allergic to mushrooms, I know some people are. I have a friend that's like allergic to mushrooms. Put you some cream of celery, cream of chicken. Any of those will work fine in this recipe. It's not a hard and fast rule that you have to use cream of mushroom. I was just using the stuff that we got today at the food pantry to show you how to do this. This is a mostly food pantry item. Anyway, it's going to go in the oven about 350, and like I said, it's going to take it about, I don't know, 45 minutes, maybe a little, give or take a few minutes. But once I get it in the oven and have taken it out, I will show you what it looks like at that point. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already, click like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below.